Hello. Bye.
Who was it?
It was a teacher I had yesterday.
The teacher?
I have something for her.
Oh, you're going to give her that?
You can tell her you love Publix?
It's a red heart. It's beautiful, and it's red.
Oh, that's so sweet.
That is sweet.
Thank you.
She's saying hello?
Yes.
Yep. Who
Who is it?
Look,
What's that?
there's something.
Well, don't drop it on the floor.
No! Look at this, Mommy.
What is that, bub? Oh, that's a bracelet for your wrist. Who is it?
Mommy, you have a boo-boo.
I do?
Uh-huh. You have a boo-boo on over here.
Oh. On my elbow?
Uh-huh.
So you're going to fix me up?
Uh-huh.
Dr. John?
I'm going to give you a bandage.
Oh, okay.
Bandage for you. A bandage.
Oh, thank you.
Here's a bandage.
Okay. Is it this elbow or this elbow?
This out. That out. Over here.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Hmm?
The fridge.
No, it's the other thing that's... It's the other thing. Johnny, it's the other thing that has sticky on it.
What?
It's the other thing that sticks. That's the sticky part. Put it on my elbow. That's what needs to go on my elbow, is the sticky part. Thank you.
Good job. Nurse John.
Dr. John?
Dr. John. Doctors don't put on Band-Aids.
That's true. Nurses do much more work than doctors do.
Well,
Doctor.
yeah. He's Dr. John, the paleontologist.
Ah, that's what it is.
Well, Doc.
Oh, who is it?
And Dr. Sabrina, licensed clinical psychologist.
Mommy, Mommy, your bandage is going off.
Uh-oh. Can you fix it? Thank you.
I'll get more bandages. Where's my bandages? Where's my bandages, Mommy?
I don't know. Where did they go?
Can you find them, Mommy?
I don't know.
Bob!
Where did you put them?
You
Did you put them over there?
Give me kisses. Thank you.
All right. Don't start making a mess now. Come on, John. Put all of that.
All right, we're going to turn it off now.
Yes. So we can
Mommy, I don't know how to find it.
Okay. Well, I need you to put all those papers back in, please.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
I want my bandages.
I know, but they're on the floor. They're not in there.
Bye.